Welcome to AI Watchtower. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is changing our world. It's in our phones, cars, and homes. AI helps us do many things faster and better. But there's a special kind of AI that's really exciting. It's called generative AI. This type of AI can make new things. It can write stories, create art, and even compose music. Generative AI is like a creative partner. It learns from lots of data. Then it uses what it learned to make new stuff. This is different from other AI that just answers questions or solves problems. Generative AI can imagine and create. It's like having a smart friend who can help you brainstorm ideas. The power of generative AI is growing fast. Just a few years ago, it could only do simple tasks. Now, it can write long articles or create realistic images. A generative AI is a type of artificial intelligence that can create new content. This content can be text, images, music, or even video. The AI learns patterns from existing data. Then it uses these patterns to generate new original work. It's like teaching a computer to be creative. Two famous examples of generative AI are GPT-3 and DALL-E. GPT-3 stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer 3. It's a language model that can write text. You can give it a prompt, and it will write a story, an article, or even code. DALL-E is another exciting generative AI. It creates images from text descriptions. You can tell DALL-E to draw a blue elephant eating a watermelon on the moon. It will create that image for you. AI has developed in stages over time. Each stage brings new abilities. Let's look at the first 4 stages. These show how AI has grown from simple to complex. We'll see how each stage builds on the one before it. Stage 1 is rule-based systems. These are the simplest AIs. They follow strict rules set by humans. An example is early chess programs. These programs had rules for every move. They didn't learn or improve on their own. They just followed the rules. This was a good start, but very limited. Stage 2 is context-aware systems. These AIs can understand the situation they're in. Smart assistants like Siri or Alexa are examples. They can tell if you're at home or in the car. They adjust their responses based on this. Now let's look at the last 3 stages of AI development. These stages show more advanced AI systems. They bring us closer to the idea of machines that can think like humans. Each stage is a big step forward in AI abilities. Stage 4 is reasoning systems. These AIs can use logic to solve problems. IBM's Watson is a famous example. It can answer complex questions. It does this by understanding the question and finding the right information. Watson can even play games like Jeopardy! Stage 5 is learning systems. These AIs can improve themselves over time. AlphaGo is a good example. It learned to play the game Go by practicing against itself. It got better and better until it could beat the best human players. This kind of AI can learn and adapt to new situations. Stage 6 is general AI. This is AI that can do many different tasks, like a human. We don't have true general AI yet, but advanced robots are getting close. They can walk, talk, and do different jobs. They're not as flexible as humans, but they're improving. General AI could change how we live and work. Generative AI is growing fast. It's getting better all the time. In the future, it might change how we do many things. Let's think about what this could mean. One big area for generative AI is creativity. In the future, it might help artists in new ways. Imagine a painter using AI to try out different color schemes instantly, or a writer using AI to develop character backgrounds. The AI wouldn't replace the artist. It would be a powerful tool to help them create. Education could also change with generative AI. It could create personalized lessons for each student. The AI would know what the student needs to learn. It could make exercises and examples just for them. This could make learning faster and more fun. As we've seen, AI, and especially generative AI, have come a long way. They started as simple rule followers. Now they can create art and write stories. This journey shows how fast technology is changing. It's exciting to think about what might come next. Generative AI has the power to help us in many ways. It can boost our creativity and solve problems. It might help us learn better and make new discoveries. But it also raises questions. We need to think about how to use AI responsibly. We should make sure it helps everyone, not just a few people. The future of AI is both exciting and challenging. We might see AIs that can do almost anything, but we'll need to decide how to use them wisely. We should think about what jobs AI should do and what jobs humans should keep. We'll need to learn new skills to work with AI.